Equine and Farm Animal Hospital specializes in the diagnosis and treatment of medical and surgical disorders in horses and farm animals, from lameness to colic and everything in between. The hospital sees about 2,500 cases annually and also has a 24-hour emergency service as well. In addition to rotations during our clinical year, students have the opportunity to work in the hospital as a large animal veterinary technician. One of my most memorable vet school experiences here at the Equine and Farm Animal Hospital is getting to assist in overnight neonatal foal monitoring with some of my closest classmates as part of the Equine Medicine Club's Foal Team.